Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a beautiful 4-bedroom detached property with a garage. This is Kennford from Barratt Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. These are the front visuals of the house, and this is located at Lockwood Fields, Dewsbury. It's a silent area, but then there is very good highway connectivity. You can travel to Wakefield, Morley, Leeds much faster. There are really good primary and high schools in this area. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a garage, lounge, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms, with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll have a hall in front of you which leads to the living room and also the upstairs. Now exploring the living room, which is coming towards the front end. A spacious living room with very good ventilation. Towards the front end you have a wide window. There's also a small storage space given here towards the left side. And from this living room you have the access towards the kitchen, dining, utility and the washroom, which are coming behind. So this is a very big kitchen with dining. The space is really good. Towards one end you have the kitchen with all the cupboards given at the bottom and also at the top. There's a wide window coming towards the kitchen side, so the light and air movement are really good. And the worktop also is really big. It's covering almost all the 3 sides. Towards this side you'll be getting the integrated fridge, freezer and oven. You can choose for the upgraded version of this induction cooking, or you can opt for gas. Also you have different options to choose your worktops and even go for the upgraded version of the granite and quartz versions. So the kitchen area looks really good. The space is quite okay. You also have the garden access through these wide French doors given here, and there's a very decent space towards the other end to plan your dining table. So plenty of natural light falling in this kitchen and dining area. And there's a nice garden coming behind with a fence around it. Now from this dining space you have the access towards the utility, which is coming behind it, and there's a washroom as well beside this utility. Now you have the boiler coming in this utility space, and there's also a nice window. There are a few cupboards at the top, and you can plan your washing machine and dryer at the bottom. And this is the washroom here in the ground floor. It's a small and decent washroom. There's a window coming towards one side. Now before moving to the first floor, I would like to share with you all the Karativa jewelers which I bought online. I chose this elegant set which is called the flower side stones for myself. I really love this design. It goes very well along with lot of suits which I have got. Now one of the other specialities of this particular brand is they insist in using the recycled S925 sterling silver and recyclable materials for a better earth. Each item is carefully designed and handmade at an affordable price. You can check out the link which I'll be sharing in the description box, and also on your purchase try to use the discount code Rita15 and get a 15% discount. Now let's explore the first floor, wherein we have the 4 bedrooms. So now checking out the first bedroom of the house. This is the first bedroom of the house, which is the master bedroom. It's a double bedroom, so you can easily plan a king size bed, and as you can see you really have good space to walk around. There's a nice wide window coming towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. And the window style also is little different. Probably in this development you will be having this style of windows. And from the windows here you can enjoy the front visuals of the house. It's a nice development site. They're developing it much faster. And towards the opposite side, you're getting the wardrobe space. Now let's check out the ensuite, which is coming towards the front end. So this is the bathroom. You have the walk-in shower, water closet and a sink, and there's an exhaust provided. This is all about the master bedroom. Now let's check out other rooms in this property. Now just as you come out of this master bedroom, towards your left side there's a small storage space with door and lock. You can plan some kind of storage inside here. Now just beside this you have the second bedroom of the house. This is slightly smaller than the master bedroom, but it's a double bedroom again. You can plan a double cot and there's a decent space to walk around. You're getting a nice window towards one side, so the ventilation is good in this room as well. And you're getting the wardrobe space towards the opposite side. This can be used as a kids room, guest room, or anything you want to. Now even beside this room they gave a small storage space with a door and lock again, so you can plan some kind of storage and hang something inside this small space. The thing about this Barratt Homes is they give you these kind of storage spaces here and there with door and lock, and it looks very neat actually. Now just beside this second bedroom you're getting the family bathroom. The space is okay. You have the tub, the sink and also the water closet, and there's a nice window, so good ventilation in this family bathroom. And beside this family bathroom you're getting the third bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. A double cot can fit in, and you have good space to walk around. I feel this bedroom, the third bedroom, is slightly bigger than the second bedroom what we have seen before, and the window size also is a little bit wider, so very good amount of natural light falling in this room. Towards the opposite side they planned the wardrobe. It's a very wide wardrobe. It's covering the entire wall. The space is good. Now here they designed it for a boy actually, so it can be used for one of the kids. Overall a decent bedroom. Now let's check out the fourth bedroom of the house. So this is the fourth bedroom. I really like this bedroom, the design and everything. The space looks really good. A double cot fits in and you have really good room space to walk around. And the window also is much similar to the one in the master bedroom. Nice model and a very good amount of natural light falling in the bedroom. And because they chose this bright colors, it's looking more colorful. And check out this wardrobe here. They designed it very well for the kids, with all the small partitions inside. And one thing, if you observed in this property, all the wardrobes in the bedrooms, they're going inside without occupying that extra room space, so they planned it very well. Overall a decent property with a good space, both the ground floor and the upstairs. And as I told you, you also have a garage coming with this property in the front. This is all for today. I'll be sharing with you all 2 more properties from this development site. Now they are 3-bedroom properties. The price for this property is not yet finalized. They'll be releasing it soon, but it will be around 334K. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.